So walking right past the kitchen, you're gonna walk into the hallways. All the bedrooms are in the back of the house. We're walking this hallway. I'm gonna make some changes. These hallways are kind of wide, kind of wasted space. We'll use that space in the bedrooms on the next one. But bedrooms, they still a nice size. So walking into the front door, it's gonna be a really high entrance. It's 11 foot ceilings throughout in the dining area, all the way down to the kitchen. You're gonna have double windows right there to bring in a lot of light. Have another window right over the kitchen sink. And you're gonna have an island in your stove and everything. So everything on the outside of this box area right here, we're gonna make it we're gonna do it brick on the exterior, like a reddish brick, a Spanish type brick. We're gonna do like a stucco on this side and also stucco on the garage area side. We made good progress today over here on the Higgins project. We got everything framed up on our interior walls, got all our inside walls framed up. We got this front entrance also framed out. We got the window on this side. It's a 3060, a nice window, a long and slim window. Got our 11-foot wall going up. We got 11-foot walls at the front and 9-foot in the back. Got our walls about to go up. Got all our lines popped. Got all our lumber dropped off. Ready to go. All right, we just got our lumber just showed up. We get our lumber from Ocean. They got the best quality, better than Home Depot or anywhere. A little more expensive, but some pretty good wood. All straight pieces and real good. Back on site this morning. Got our concrete all finished. Got our lumber on the way. Framing guys, they're on their way to start putting this thing up. Been waiting on this moment for a while, so we can get started on the next. Finally getting some daylight. I think this might be our last load. Just had a garage left to finish. These little black boxes right here, that's where your tub's gonna go. So these bolts, that's all around the outside of the foundation. That's what your framing wall is gonna go on. And they're gonna come and put nuts on top and tighten them down at the end. Putting a frame for the shower over there. They're gonna do this garage on this side last.
The next picture is gonna be like San Gallop, a horse.
We up early this morning getting this foundation poured. Expecting rain later this evening. So we should be finished by a little after daylight. So some changes we have to make for the inspector. We have to put some more rebar down, some more of the number 5 rebar down. We also had to put down some more chairs, add a few more chairs. And he wanted us to put some more bricks down so it wasn't touching earth. And also we had to put some more black. So we're just a few days behind on schedule for this house 4901. We finally passed inspection on this one. We got everything framed out. Got the garage over here, front door at the front over there. We had to add some more rebar for the inspector. He saw some changes we needed to make. That's your water tap into the city's main line. Got our water meter coming. The water line is on the other side of the road, so they have to go under the road and bring it on our side. Got our post tension cables in. Got inspection coming around about 1 o'clock. So earlier today we had our pest control guy. He came and sprayed for termites. You do that before you pour your concrete. He sprayed for termites all around the foundation. And before you put the moisture barrier down, you see they put the black paper. They put the 2 pieces of rebar at the bottom, and we'll start with that. So on top of here, you're gonna do a 6 mil black vapor barrier. You'll put that down, make sure everything's sealed up. You'll put your cables and rebar in, get your inspection, pour your foundation, pour your concrete, and 7 days later, you stretch your cables and that give you. So we're gonna be using both rebar and cables on this slab. We're gonna have 2 pieces of rebar at the bottom and the beams, and the cable's gonna be on top. It's gonna be, I think, 38 or 40 cables. They'll all be going out to the sides. We got all plumbing going in today. Should be at a call for inspection for tomorrow. So I had to get some more dirt moved in the corners. Got a low spot. We're gonna fill that in where the forms are. And also our survey guys, they came out today. I thought it was gonna be tomorrow, but they went on and came out today to do all. So I got started on Higgins. We got our forms in. We got our forms in today. After we do the forms, I gotta call and get a form survey. They're gonna come out and mark, make sure they put the forms in the right spot according to the survey and site plan. Next I have to had to get more select dirt, select fill. We're gonna put select on top, and then we're gonna do our plumbing in the morning. We got all our beams dug out, 12 by 28. It's gonna be 12 inches wide and 28 inches deep. Doing a post tension. Got our cables on back order. We'll get that next week. Started on our trenches for the foundation. Should be finished this by today or tomorrow. Get our inspection Monday. We start pouring concrete on Tuesday.